Hello, my name is Steven. I'm the Director of Logistics here at Kitsbow, and we're in the Kitsbow Distribution Center. And I wanted to talk a little bit about our packaging. I'm going to talk about what we use on the inside of the packages and what we use on the outside of the packages. We're very dedicated to sustainability, and all of our packaging is home compostable. And I say home compostable because that's different from most of the things that you see that will be compostable. Most things that are compostable are only industrial compostable. They'll have to be shipped to a special composting facility that'll actually that requires shipping, that requires big machines. All of this stuff right here you can actually put in your garden and it'll turn to soil. This is our inner packaging here. You see it's transparent so we can identify the product. You can see a little hang tag, which I have right here. This is made from compostable craft paper, vegetable-based ink, and compostable linen string here. Even the label itself, which in the glue and everything, all of that turns to soil. And we have here, this is our return card. Again, vegetable-based inks, craft paper, and we have the initials of every person that handles every one of your Kitsbow shirts. That's everything from our shipping bags, which we love to use because these are take up much less volume on the truck, which means not only is it cheaper to ship, it also means that more things can be packed onto the truck at one time, which means less fuel to ship our stuff. Our boxes, the glue, the starch, even how we seal them, we use old-fashioned paper tape made from plant starches. All of this, the ink that you see on here is all vegetable-based ink, and even the label itself will compost in the garden.
Thanks for watching and learning more about our sustainable packaging here at Kitsbow. We've spent 2 years researching, testing, and developing these products. If you work with a company and have any questions about any of the products we are using, you can get in touch with us by sending a message to info@kitsbow.com. We want more companies to use sustainable packaging. Thank you.